Design with Emma. Let's make a change. Nothing is too far and out of range. Budget-friendly magic with a soft sprinkle. Watch the inspiration and the ideas grow. Emma's got the vision, you got the heart. Spring is the season for a brand new start. So go ahead.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is day 3 of Blessmas, and Blessmas is hosted by At Home with Lisa. She was the creator, Lifestyle and Design with Teresa, and myself, Design with Emma. This is day 3, so what we will be doing on day 3, we're gonna be doing a springtime tablescape. So I already have my centerpiece that I showed you yesterday. We have it all set up. So what I'm going to do for you today, I'm going to set up the tablescape. At the end, what I will be doing, I will be doing a drawing for the cash app, and it will be anyone who has been in the premieres all 3 days. So get on in here so I can see you here today, and then at the end what we'll do is a drawing. So I have everything set up as I said. So Miss May, if you all do not have Miss May, you all really have to go over and check her out. She called my tablescape Pinkalicious. So I'm gonna keep the name that Miss May gave me, Pinkalicious, and that's what we're gonna call it, okay? So first what I'm gonna use my pink placemats. So I'm gonna go around and put the placemats down, and I'm only gonna do 4 place settings, okay? Because I have my scarves and my table runner coming out long ways, and so I'm gonna only do 4 for you today. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm just gonna go around and place my placemats at each one of my chairs here. And I'm gonna go all the way around. And set these up. And if you missed any of the premieres, please go back and check them out, and you can see it from start to finish. Next, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use 2 charger plates. I'm gonna use a white charger plate, and then I'm gonna use this one, the gold clear charger plate. And that's because I want the gold to show, to match all my gold candlesticks here. So I'm gonna take the white charger plate and put it beneath the gold. Okay? That way the little gold rim will show. And I'm gonna go all the way around and place it. And there you can see what I'm trying to do is get this rim here to show. And as I said, I'm only gonna do 4. Okay, so now I have the charger plates set, and what we're gonna do now, we're gonna go ahead and add we're gonna add our dinner plate and our salad plate. So this is the salad plate and this is the dinner plates. So we're gonna add those next. So next what we're gonna do, we're gonna add the salad and the dinner plates. So this is the dinner plate, and then we have the same with the salad plate. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on the dinner plates. And then I'll come back and add the salad plate. Okay. I hit one of my candles to decide it wanted to turn over. So now what I'll do, I'll go ahead and add the salad plates to this. My camera keeps messing up, you all. I don't know what's going on with this thing today, but it does not want to cooperate, I tell you. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the salad plates in. And you all will get a better view of this when I do the reveal. Okay. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give each one of the guests a little bunny here. So I'm just gonna sit it in the middle of each one of my salad plates. And I'm gonna do one on all 4 plate settings. And this is just something that they can take home with them. And I picked those up at Rouse's. Okay, so now what we can do, we can go ahead and add our glasses. And I have the white glasses with the Starburst. We'll add our glasses and then we'll go in and add our flatware we have here. So now what I'm gonna do, we're gonna add the glasses, then we're gonna add the flatware. Okay. Just gonna put one of the glasses at each one of our plate settings. And that's what we'll do. We'll add our flatware. So I'm gonna add my knife and my spoons to each plate setting. I'm gonna scoop this over just a little bit. And I'm just gonna go around the table and add my flatware. And this flatware, I did get this from, I think it was Temu that I've ordered this from. I'm sure it was Temu. And it was at a great price. And you all, next will be Lifestyle and Design with Teresa. And after Teresa will be At Home with Lisa. And today is day 3. So what we will be doing, each one of us, at the end of our premiere, we will be doing our cash app giveaway. So I'm just gonna finish it up on this side over here. And then what I'll do once I'm completely finished, we'll come back and do that reveal. Okay, so I got my place setting all set here. And what I'm gonna do with the napkins, I'm gonna take the napkin and wrap it around my charger plate. So I'm gonna take up my plate and my dessert plate, and I'm just gonna take my clear charger plate and I'm gonna place my napkin around it. Then I'm gonna set it back over here, and then I'm gonna put my dinner plate and my salad plate back on it. Okay, so we're gonna do that all the way around. Then what we're gonna do, we're gonna come back with that reveal. Again, I want to thank each and every one of you all for being here, because as you well know, we could not do this without you. So again, I say thank you. Make sure you go back and leave me a comment and let me know what you think of my Pinkalicious Tablescape. Also, coming up next is Lifestyle and Design with Teresa, and after her, we'll be At Home with Lisa. So I'm gonna light all the candles and come back with the reveal. And after the reveal, what we'll do, we'll draw for the Cash App drawing. And now I'll take you in for the reveal. Again, I want to thank each and every one of you all for joining us, because without you, again, we cannot do this. I also want to thank the design family for coming along with me today. So, I went over the centerpiece with you all yesterday, and I told you how I put that together. Here with the place settings, what I've used the white charger from Hobby Lobby and the clear charger with the gold around it from Hobby Lobby. I have a napkin here that was from Home Goods. Then I went in. I've added my dinner plate from Hobby Lobby, my salad plate from Hobby Lobby, and then I went in and added the little bunny. My flatware was from Temu. Okay. I want to thank each and every one of you for joining us for Springmas. It has really been fun decorating for you all for Springmas. I will be doing a drawing now. So if you have been in my premieres for all 3 days, then your name will be in the drawing. Now, if I have your name in the drawing and pull it out and you're not here today, then what we'll do, we'll go on to the next person. So let's get ready for the drawing. Okay, so I have my names here in the cup. We're gonna shake them up a little bit and then we're gonna pick one. And the winner is Deborah. Deborah Kabaska, you are the winner. If you would, send me your cash out information on Instagram, or you can put it in the chat. Again, Lifestyle and Design with Teresa is next, and At Home with Lisa. Lisa will be after Teresa. I want to thank each and every one of you again. Your support is truly, truly appreciated. I hope we've given you all some ideas that you can use during the spring to decorate your home. This is Emma, and I'm going to be seeing you all in my next video.